Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 3, Conservation of Natural Resources, and today is its last lecture, 7th lecture, and this is a review. So my dear students, previous lecture was about a project, so quickly let's recap it. Quickly tell me, name some types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Very good. How polluted air is harmful to human beings? खराब हवा, polluted हवा कैसे human beings के लिए नुकसानदेह है? Because there are toxic gases, carbon dioxide in it, which is not healthy for human beings, and it causes a lot of lung diseases. That is why it is harmful for human beings. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards page number 27, where all the student learning outcomes are given. तो हमने ये सब जो है वो cover कर लिए हैं. All the students described ways in which humans have changed the natural environment. They defined the term pollution, listed different types of pollution, suggested ways to save natural resources, predicted that what would happen if natural resources were all used up. We also identified the endangered animals of Pakistan. We suggested ways to protect the endangered animals, and we also identified animals which are extinct. So my dear students, we have covered all the objectives of this unit. So आज मैं आपको इनकी revision करवाऊंगी so that we will move towards the assessment. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective first, which are related to the objectives of this unit. It is He who has appointed you viceroys in the earth, that He may try you in what He has given you. There is not an animal that lives on earth, nor a being that flies on its wings, but they form communities like you. Nothing have we omitted from the book, and they all shall be gathered to their Lord in the end. So my dear students, these are the student learning outcomes which are related to these were the Islamic perspectives which are related to the student learning outcomes. Now let's quickly look at the reading pages. मैं आपसे questions भी करूँगी और साथ-साथ हम इसका review भी करेंगे. So we started this unit with human beings and their environment. So quickly tell me some ways in which human activities have affected the environment, natural environment. Deforestation, plastic bag production, release of carbon dioxide and toxic gases, and river imbalance. This is how we have affected our environment. हमारी activities की वजह से जो है वो deforestation cause हो रही है. Plastic bags की जो production है वो ज़्यादा होने की वजह से sewage systems और blockage आ जाता है जगह जगह. इसके अलावा जो factories हैं और vehicles हैं डेली बेसिस पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और टॉक्सिक गैसेस जो है वो एयर में रिलीज करती हैं, जिसकी वजह से एयर पोल्यूशन कॉज होती है. एंड देन देयर इज रिवर इम्बैलेंस बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. कहीं जो है वो बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से फ्लड्स आ जाते हैं, कहीं बारिश नहीं होती जिसकी वजह से ड्राइनेस हो जाती है और ड्राउट आ जाते हैं. सो माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड टूवर्ड्स द पोल्यूशन. सो क्विकली टेल मी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन दैट वी स्टडीड. वेरी गुड, नाइस. Okay, now tell me, now define the word pollution. Any harmful thing that is introduced to the environment and which is harmful for living things is called pollution. So my dear students, we studied about different types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Then we move forward towards the what would happen if natural resources रन आउट. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं जिनको हम यूज़ करते हैं. उनमें से कुछ जो है वो लिमिटेड हैं, लाइक फॉसल फ्यूल्स, कोल, नेचुरल गैस एंड पेट्रोल एंड वाटर. दीज आर ऑल लिमिटेड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. तो हमें चाहिए कि हम इनको एहतियात से इस्तेमाल करें और इनके इस्तेमाल को लिमिट कर दें. इसके अलावा इसकी जगह हम लोगों को रीन्यूएबल जो एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज हैं जैसे कि सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, हमें इनको इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए जो पोल्यूशन फ्री भी हैं और रिन्यूएबल भी हैं. एंड देन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स. ऐसे एनिमल्स जिनका काउंट बहुत कम रह गया है एंड विच आर नियर टू एक्सटिंक्ट आर इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स. हमने पाकिस्तान के कुछ इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स लाइक मारखोर, माउंटेन वीजल और इनके बारे में स्टडी किया था. नाउ क्विकली सजेस्ट सम वेज, यू विल सजेस्ट सम वेज इन विच वी कैन सेव इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स. Very good. restore their natural habitat, stop illegal hunting, and spread awareness. These are some ways in which we can save the endangered animals. And then we studied about the extinct animals. ऐसे जानवर जो कि अब जमीन पर पाए नहीं जाते, आपको नजर नहीं आते, खत्म हो चुके हैं. They are called extinct animals like dinosaurs. Tasmanian wolf, mammoth, dodo bird, these are all extinct animals. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. हमने सारा review कर लिया unit number 3 को. So this is the assessment. You can simply download this assessment sheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, first of all, you will write down your name and your class at the top, and then what is deforestation? What is deforestation? Very good. आपको इसके बारे में लिखना है. Then define pollution. What are its types? सबसे पहले आपको pollution को define करना है, और उसके बाद आपको इसकी कौन कौन सी types हैं, आपको वो types भी सिर्फ उनके names लिखने हैं. What would happen if natural resources run out? अगर natural resources खत्म हो जाएंगे, जो limited resources है, तो क्या होगा? You have to write about that. Then name 2 endangered and name 2 extinct animals. आपको 2 endangered animals और 2 extinct animals के names लिखने हैं. And you will complete this worksheet, submit it to your teacher. She will mark and evaluate you. From here, we will move forward towards your homework. Quickly note down the homework. Discuss with parents about conservation of natural resources. अब आपको जानते हैं बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कि natural resources को कैसे conserve करना चाहिए, और basically what is conservation of natural resources and why it is needed. Discuss it with your parents. उनसे भी उनके suggestions लें, so that आपकी information में भी कुछ और इजाफा हो knowledge में, और आप उनकी भी knowledge में इजाफा कर सकें और awareness spread कर सकें. So my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. All my students are now able to describe environmental changes, define pollution, suggest ways to conserve natural resources, and you are also now able to suggest ways to protect endangered animals, and you are also able to identify extinct animals. I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this unit and you have learned a lot of things from it. Keep everybody around you safe. Thank you so much. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.